Today we are going to be doing a double watch unboxing. Now the other day I couldn't really decide which one I wanted, so I basically decided so that I'll get the both of them. So I'm going to unbox both of these packages and then let you see what's inside them. Now be careful with these, I want to cut the inside. Well, thankfully it's all wrapped up, so we'll do this one first. Nicely wrapped up. So, I wonder what it can be. I know what it is. It's a Sea-Gull. I'll do a quick wristwatch check first before I forget. It's the Spinnaker Cahill. Really nice watch. So let's carry on. So this is the Sea-Gull. See what we've got here. All the usual rubbish. And then, yes, I did get it on a NATO type strap. Ooh, that's the first one of them. Let's take that off. Get that off. Now I've got this because of what it looks like at the back. Let's see if I can get this off. It's actually like shrink wrapped on it. Don't really like doing this, but maybe don't. There you go. Oh. Okay. That's the Sea-Gull 1963, I guess. But look at that back. Absolutely beautiful back. Nice little viewing window. Oh no, it's not a I thought it was automatic, it's not, it's just wind. But, well, let's take that off and then we can see it properly. Look how nice that is. Beautiful that. So, got the part rubber, part canvasy type strap. Really nice. Right, so let's get on to the next one. Put back on that. Put back on there. On there. That's one done. So this is the second one. I'll come back to that one in a minute or two. So we're doing the double unboxing today. Now be careful, you don't want to damage the boxes. This is a very sharp knife, it's a Gerber. Oh, it just so happens this is the same type of box. So it's blue. Oh, look at that. Mechanical. same type of strap. So, and we've got the bubble wrap around it. There we go. Another Sea-Gull. Really nice. Like I say, I couldn't decide on which colour to get, so I thought, what the heck, just get both of them. Really nice watches. Let's undo this. Let's just take this off the back and then you can see the workings of it. This is a little bit smaller. This is a 38mm. The other one's a 40mm. So let's get this running. Let's take that off. It's winding. I'll sort it out properly in a minute. But yep, started already now. So you can see, so beautiful the back end on these. Little blue screws and stuff inside it. Really nice. Yeah, it is ticking away there, you can actually see it now. But yeah, it is a really nice watch. A bit more of a wind. Only thing with what these type of watches and mechanical watches, gotta wind them all up. But put that through there. So very nice. Let's just take this off my wrist. See what this looks like with it on. So, oh, they seem to put it on the wrong way around. That's not very good. Round. Look through. Pull it out a bit. There we go. So let's try and put this on, see what it looks like. This watch shop. Sorry for taking it out of view. Leave it like that for now. Does look quite small. My wrists. My wrists are quite big. But that does look a really nice watch. And they're not a bad price either. A really good price on these. That's a really nice watch. Let's try the other one on. Oh, you do get with this one a leather strap. It looks to be about 20mm, or might be a bit smaller, not quite sure. 18mm they are, so it's an 18mm strap on this one. Let's put that to one side. Then let's get this one back out. Try this one on the wrist. Second. So, like that for a second. So, like this one is a little bit bigger. That's a 40mm. Really nice. Like I say, I couldn't decide which one to get, so I thought I'll get them both. Yeah, it would have been nice, one a little bit bigger, but I just love backs on these. But, so, hopefully I've got another watch coming in a few days. That's coming from the States. And then, but let's get a good close up on that. That is, it's a beautiful watch that. Let's go, see if we can get it. Really nice. These just wouldn't look right with a metal bracelet. But like I said in one of my previous videos, I don't really do metal bracelets. Out of the way. Yeah, leather strap. And then I actually got my Oris. Okay, I'll tell you how much that was. It was quite a bit of money. Well, that's a really nice watch. This is a hand wind. But beautiful watch, fully functional. It is mechanical. And then see if we can get the back on that. See the back on it? Just undo this strap. So you can get a better view. There we go. Really nice bit of kit that. So that's the Oris as well. Then this is one of my favourite watches I've got. Victorinox Alliance chronograph. Beautiful watch that. You already seen me Seiko SKXs, but I am an Orient fan as well. This is the Orient Panda. This is kind of in the style of the Seagulls. Well, that's a beautiful watch as well. Really like this watch. I did get a new strap for this because this did come with a metal bracelet and it just didn't do justice for this watch, so I had to change it. Then I have like diver's watch, 1000 meters, a helium release valve on it. That's the that was the ratio 2. Then got my Zeppelin, Graf Zeppelin, just needs winding up. But that's another beautiful watch that. And then the Orient. I am a big fan of the Orient, I really do like Orient watches. It's another hand wind screw down crown. Wind up. Does need winding back up actually. It does need the date and everything set in. Screw down crown on that. Water resistance 200 meters. Not ISO certified, but you don't know. And then my other Orient Komatsu. Beautiful watch this. One of my favourite watches I've got. This is another automatic. I do like the automatic watches. Now, saves messing about with batteries. I have obviously got my Seikos as well. I have quite a lot of Seikos. I am a Seiko fan. Oh, this is an automatic one as well. Has got, just turn that out. Oh, give it a shake. Do the SKX shake, even though it's not an SKX. This is the Blue Monster, this one. It's a really nice watch. That's good for diving, but not proper diving. It's only rated to 100 meters, even though you'd think it was actually more. Already seen this. This is the Citizen, the 84003 or 83, I think it is. Really nice watch. Solar powered. I've got quite a few solar powered watches actually. This is basically the only one that I have got on a bracelet because of the type of the strap what it is. I have been trying to get hold of the straps for them, but hard to get hold of them, very expensive when you do find them, and then when you do find them they're actually out of stock, so but never mind. This was actually my first Seiko I ever got, and I've had this since 96, I think it was 1996. I have changed the strap out on it. It did have a metal strap. I actually still have the metal strap for it, but I put this rubber one on because it does feel a bit more comfortable. I did have a leather one on, but the leather just wears out in time, especially when you've had it for such a long time. But I only actually changed the battery on it once, so that's not bad going. So that's just a few of my watches. So, what have we got? This one. This is one of my favourites as well. It's the Seiko Flight Master. Very nice watch. Fully functional dial. It's a really nice watch. Well, hopefully in a few more days I'll have another watch arrive and I'll do another watch unboxing. You either give us a thumbs up, thumbs down if you don't like it. Not that I care, but I hope you all have a good day.